Yeah, it must be coming from back here then, but that's not possible because there's a the
Open up the back hallway door and do it.
Okay.
See if it's coming from there. I don't have to ask you what you're doing, just say I'm testing it.
Okay.
And like that actually.
Okay. It is. Yeah, I don't know why, but I don't know why the lights don't light up though.
These ones were out here, it's just fire.
That was lit up?
Yeah, it was blinking, so this one above the fucking up there. Above the front door.
Wait, that up there was
It
blinking?
says fire, yes.
You're schnerious.
Yeah, because if it's an emergency, everything's gonna light up. Probably all the lights outside my door.
Wait, let me test the one in the bathroom now.
No.
Why?
No, there's too much for today.
No, I need to know that it works.
Tomorrow.
I'll do it quick.
Alright,
Oh yeah, I don't know what that buzzer is. Maybe there's like a game. Maybe it's like a game show.
was it coming from the hallway or no?
No, the buzzer sounds like it was coming from in here.
The buzzer sounded like it was coming from back there.
No. It had to be out here.
Maybe the kitchen, I don't know, but the buzzer was definitely coming from behind me.
You know it wasn't that.
I know, that one don't make a buzzer. That one just is really loud and obnoxious.
But how come it won't go off?
Fuck.